Welcome to our exploration of Psalms 85 to 88, poignant portions of the Book of Psalms. Psalm 85 opens with a reflection on God's past mercies, a petition for renewed favor. It speaks to a yearning for restoration and divine forgiveness. The psalmist remembers God's gracious acts and prays for revival, trusting that God's steadfast love will bless the land with prosperity and peace. In Psalm 86, we find a heartfelt plea for deliverance. It is a personal prayer from David marked by humility and trust. He seeks God's attention in times of trouble, acknowledging God's greatness and steadfast love. David's reliance on God's past faithfulness encourages us to approach God with an open heart, knowing that He is merciful, ready to forgive, and abounding in love. Turning to Psalm 87, we are introduced to a song celebrating Zion, the city of God. This psalm exudes joy, describing Zion as the spiritual hub of diverse nations. It's a prophetic vision where people of all backgrounds find common heritage in God. The sense of belonging and unity in God's presence transcends boundaries, highlighting a divine inclusivity. Finally, Psalm 88 presents a stark contrast. It is known as one of the darkest psalms, a cry of deep despair. The psalmist lays bare his soul, engulfed in suffering, feeling isolated from God and others. Despite the overwhelming sense of abandonment, the prayerful cry demonstrates a profound relationship with God, where even the darkest emotions are expressed to Him. Each of these psalms, with its unique voice, reflects the human journey through joy, petition, celebration, and lament. They remind us that whatever our circumstances, we can approach God, trust in His faithfulness, and find hope in His promises. Thank you for joining us in this reflection on Psalms 85 to 88. We hope it enriches your spiritual journey and invites you to explore the depths of your faith.
From Doodle Divine, aspiring to make the Bible more alive. Be blessed.